Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 26, 2022. 3 Sudoku. Column H, column E, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the two cells. Column D, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column H and 9th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this, 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 6, 9. Third grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. 4th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. But 4th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column I, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come the cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, only 1 numbers are remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. First grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column C, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 5. Column B, column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 9th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column J, we already give 2. So 2 can't come in, the cell 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column J, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in, the cell 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in, the cell 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. 6th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in, the cell 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in, the cell 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in, the cell 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column I, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.